Hey, welcome to the show. Check this out. This is a 150-piece sanding discs. They are from a company called WORKPRO. I'm really liking that company right here. Here are the different sizes that you're going to get. All right, let's take a closer look at these sanding discs. And yeah, by the package, you're definitely getting 150 of them. They have the different grits right here. You have your 240, 320, 400, and 360. Here is the P320, and this right here is soft. Get a little close-up look at that. And then on this side is your grit. You can really feel it. I don't even want to put my fingers on it. You can really feel that right there. I'm trying to separate this right here. It does not separate, so it looks like it's a really good seal. Here is the P400. Again, you get your soft side here, and then your grit there. And yeah, they just, I think you're going to have enough to get any type of job that you're doing, get that done. Here's the P600. And I don't know if you can hear that. Yeah, it's, I'm really loving the quality of these sanding discs. Also, WORKPRO is a great company to work with. I'm always happy with their products. I think you're going to really like this. Here again are the different sizes that you're going to get with your 150-piece sanding discs. And yeah, when you look at this bag, definitely getting 150 of them. So hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. Please leave a likey down below. Check out this product and their company, and have a great day. Adios. Goodbye.